A Test of Faith. A short story. There was a rich man. He built a boat to travel alone in the sea. On his day off, he took a boat and went out to visit the sea. Had reached half the sea when suddenly a strong storm came. His boat was completely destroyed, but he jumped into the sea with the help of a life jacket. When the storm subsided, he swam to an island, but there was no one there. Nothing was visible except the sea around the island. That man thought that when I have never done harm to anyone in my entire life, then why did this happen to me? That man felt that if God saved him from death, then only God will tell him the way forward. Gradually, he started spending his days eating the trees and leaves growing there. Now gradually his faith started breaking. He lost faith in God. He felt that there is no God in this world. Then he thought that now he has to spend his whole life on this island. So why not build a hut? Then he built a small hut from tree branches and leaves. He said in his mind that from today onwards he will get to sleep in the hut and will not have to sleep outside. It was almost night when suddenly the weather changed and lightning started thundering loudly. Then suddenly a lightning struck that hut and the hut started burning. Seeing this, the man broke down and looking at the sky said, "You are not God, you are a demon. You have no mercy. You are very cruel." The man was crying with his hands on his head in despair. Suddenly a boat came near the island. Two men got down from the boat and said that we have come to save you. When I saw a burning hut on this deserted island from a distance, I felt that someone is in trouble on that island. If you had not burnt your hut, we would not have known that there was someone on the island. Tears started falling from the man's eyes. He asked for forgiveness from God and said, "How could I know that you burnt my hut to save me?" Moral: God is always with us even in difficult times. We must have faith and trust in His divine plan. ऐसी कहानियों के लिए जुड़े रहे साइमा क्लास के साथ।